Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to do a quick unboxing of this eufy security camera. It's a 1080p security camera, and it says that usually the battery will last 180 days before you'd have to charge it back up. But that varies depending on usage and how many times the camera turns on to record based on movement. So this thing is pretty cool because I have about 5 other cameras like this. So this is going to make it the 6th eufy 2C that I have. And I just want to add another camera in a spot where I have a dead zone. So these cameras are great. I can vouch for it personally. So we're going to open this up and show you exactly what's inside the box. So this is just basically a camera to add to a system, so it won't come with the HomeBase or any of that other stuff. It'll just send it with the camera, and we'll see what else is in the box. So your standard box, nothing fancy here. It is well packaged, I think. So right away, the camera is right in front of you as soon as you open the box. And it's covered in plastic to protect it against getting scuffed or scratched. And here is a tray where the camera sits in. So overall, I think it's pretty nice the way they package it. And in this other box, we've got a screw mount. So this screw mount allows you to mount it on a wall outside or a piece of wood on your siding. So that works really good with my other cameras. And we have some hardware here, some screws to mount the screw mount to. And here we have a charger cable. Now this I have hooked up to a light that gets continuous power outside, so it continues to charge it at all times. And this is a micro USB charging cable. As you can see, that's micro USB right there. And that side goes to the camera, and the other side goes to whatever is charging your camera. So you could have it do the battery operated, or you can have it continuously charge on an external light. And in this little box here is the user manual. That's the start guide. It's pretty straightforward, those instructions in there. And this is a 24/7 monitoring sticker that you can put up. And we have another one here. And so, yeah, that's pretty much it. That's everything that's really in the box there. This is a camera mounting screw positioning card. It just helps you to drill in the correct location to put the screw mount up. And that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for joining me on this unboxing. Here are all the items. Again, the eufy 2C. It's a great camera. I have 5 of these, and I enjoy them very well. Please hit that subscribe and that like to get more videos like this one. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you guys on the next one.